So we've already seen that the equation of the normal to the curve at P, so the equation of this line here, is y equals minus x plus 4. In part B, we are asked to work out the area of this shaded region here. Now, the way I'm going to do this is I am going to draw a vertical line down at point P. The point P is the coordinates 1, 3. And then, if I were to consider this whole shape here, that would be a trapezium. The width of that trapezium is 1, because that's the x coordinate here. The height here is 3, because that's the y coordinate at point P. And the height here is this, which I know is 4. The reason why that's 4 is because this coordinate here is the coordinate 0, 4. And I know that because I can see it's the y-intercept of the normal. My normal meets the y-axis at 4. So I can work out the area of this trapezium. A half, 4 plus 3, that should be, times 1. So that's 7 over 2, or 3.5. So that's the area of that trapezium. But I didn't want the whole trapezium. I don't want to include this green part. I only want the bit above that. So I only want to actually work out this region here. Which means that I need to take away the area underneath the curve. Which is fine because I can work that out by integrating. So if I integrate between 0 and 1, the curve is 5x minus 2x squared. So if I integrate the curve between 0 and 1, that will tell me the area underneath that curve. And then I can take it away from my trapezium. So let's do that. If I integrate the 5x, I'll get 5x squared over 2. If I integrate the 2x squared, I'll get 2x cubed divided by 3. Substitute the 1 in, so I'll get 5 over 2 times 1 squared. Then I'll get 2 over 3 times 1 cubed. That's me substituting the 1 in. Now I'll substitute the 0 in, which is just going to give me 0 anyway. But this is just me showing the working out. So that's going to give me 5 over 2 minus 2/3, which, let me work this out quickly because I don't have a calculator. So that's going to be 15 over 6 minus 4 over 6. So 11 over 6. So the area of the trapezium is 7 over 2. The area underneath the curve is 11 over 6. So the shaded region then will be 7 over 2 minus 11 over 6, which is the same thing as 21 over 6 minus, which is 10 over 6, which is the same thing as 5 over 3, which was what we needed to show.